Hey, what's up, guys? It's CP with Tuff Waterfowl. Welcome to another episode. Sorry we ain't been posting too much. We've been, me and Dylan just got out of school for break for the holidays and all. We've been hitting the season pretty hard. We've been going every chance that we could get. The weather hasn't been great at all. It hasn't really even been cold yet. But we've been going and we've been shooting some birds here and there, but the season hasn't really been the season that we thought it would be. But we're getting after it, so you'll definitely see some posts from us here soon. I'm going to Oklahoma here before long. I'll be hunting with goose reapers out there near Lawton in Oklahoma. Dylan's actually about to leave for Georgia right now, so hopefully he can get some birds down there, maybe smoke a deer or two. Hopefully I'll get some birds in Oklahoma. But anyways, the reason that we're doing this video is because I made the switch from banded to Drake waterfowl. I'm gonna explain why. So about a little bit before halfway before the season, I tore a hole in the crotch area of my banded waders, and I tried the flex shot, I tried to patch it, nothing was working. And again, it's not that cold down here, but nobody likes to be sitting there in some soggy waders, right? So I've done a lot of research. I heard only good things about the Drake Waterfowl Guardian Elite Series right here. Only heard good things about them, so I figured why not try it out. So I bought them. I've hunted with them about half the season, and I love them. I mean, I think that they're warmer. For one, I think that they're warmer than the banded waders I used to have. I've hunted the same exact areas, all the nasty, thick wood duck holes that me and Dylan hunt, all the timber spots, the open water spots, the super muddy, mud flat spots. I've had no issues with the boots. I've had no issues with the seams. I mean, everything that you could want out of a wader, the Drake Guardian Elite Series, it has it. And I don't know what anybody else was thinking before this. A great idea, but you can actually unzip right here, and these waders, they're affordable. This whole thing comes off right here. Whole thing comes off. So early season, you can use this. You can use the inside. You take this off if it's too hot, and the inside, the inner lining, actually rips out as well. So you want to talk about a pretty versatile wader. I mean, this is top tier, top of the line stuff right here. So that's basically why I switched. I'm loving it so far. I will continue to hunt with these for the rest of the season. I'll keep you guys updated, on if I have any problems with the waders and that type of thing. It actually has I think it's like 70%, something like that, like 70% less seams than regular waders do. So way less opportunity for you to get a pinhole or a rip or a tear, or even just in the long run, whenever you've worn your waders out and water starts to seep in, that's not going to happen. You know what I mean? So also, it's super easy to sign up for the 2-year warranty. I did it in like five minutes. It's not hard at all. Anything happens to my waders, I send them back. They'll repair them or they'll send me a new pair. So you can't beat that. Anyhow, we're gonna keep hunting hard. Hopefully we get some really cold weather, push these birds down a little bit more our way. But I'll let you guys know what's going down for the rest of the season, and hopefully we can get on some birds soon in Oklahoma. Maybe Dylan will get on some in Georgia. So until then, stay tuned. Get ready for the good last part of the season. Thanks.